Alright, hello everybody. I'm walking around Helen, Georgia. I might check out this sweets and treats shop with Roxanne. We just had lunch at Mueller's. It was really good. Jelly bellies, bubble gum, stickers.
Maybe here's your pickle flavor. Candy. You like
Here's
pickles?
little bags if y'all want to get any of that too. And then we got big pickles right over there.
Okay.
Are you a big pickle person?
No, I'm not
No.
ready yet. She loves pickles.
Aw.
Dee loves pickles of all kinds. Let me see. Yeah, I eat.
Got Pez candies, bit of honey, Mike and Ike. Chocolate caramel. Ooh.
Are these worthy?
Yeah.
Great flavors. I like that.
Moon. No, thank you.
I don't think I want worms.
No.
Scorpions, no. Crickets, no. We walked into an old-fashioned cake. You don't want worms. Or crickets. Or ants. Or worm and sucker. No. Now I remember the Dippin' Dots when I was a kid. But I don't remember the sour flavor, so that's